Okay, today me and my brother are gonna have a burping contest, and it's gonna be pretty funny. Here we go. Coming in, Jacob. Woo!
Alright, here we go. Ready? Coming in, Blake.
Who let the dogs out?
Alright, who's gonna be first?
You are.
Okay.
Nope, stop.
Alright, here I go. Ready?
Okay, get out of the shop. Oh, that stinks. He's a ratchet.
Round 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you guys get to decide who had the best burp. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and you guys can vote who had the best burp in round 1. See you later.